The leadership of the NPP went into the 2024 general elections with a lot of hope and positivity. Our aim was to secure an emphatic victory at the polls, and we worked very hard. As a party, we put in our best efforts in the campaign. I commend all members of the various campaign teams of the party from polling stations, the national level, who also put in their very best in the campaign. Equally, I deeply appreciate the dedication and commitment of all members, sympathizers of the New Patriotic Party for your tireless efforts. There is no doubt that the outcome of the elections was not what we hoped for. We may not have won the battle, but we haven't lost the war on the quest for a better Ghana, shaped by the ideals and philosophies of the New Patriotic Party. As leadership of the party, we share in the pain of all party faithful who have been devastated by the outcome of the elections. We understand your disappointments because we feel it too, just as the hundreds of thousands of Ghanaians who invested their hopes and dreams in this campaign do. As a party that was formed by individuals from all sectors of our society who are motivated by the ideals of development and freedom, we seek to grow the individual liberties of our people by growing a strong democracy. The party will, in the months of January 2025, set up an effective and objective election review committee to undertake a post-mortem into the outcome of the election. The committee will engage all party stakeholders and the general public on the factors and circumstances leading to our defeat. We have a firm belief that the work of the election review committee will enable our people to express their concerns and to bring out suggestions and reforms, changes, and other critical issues necessary to restructuring our party. One critical area that must occupy the attention of the election review committee is the possible need for constitutional amendments and the restructuring of the party's internal decision-making processes, particularly on the mode of electing presidential, parliamentary candidates, and party executives, among others. Indeed, this is a difficult time for us as a party, but we are resilient people. We must, and we will rise again from this defeat. We will be reorganizing ourselves for the battles of tomorrow. Fellow party members, this means we cannot give up. We must engage the restructuring process with all the energies we can muster together to get the elephant trumpeting again. Kukrudu, Kukrudu, and Kukrudu. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make the NPP great and strong again. Thank you very much. With these few days before Christmas, I want to take this opportunity to wish all party members, far and wide, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Thank you for coming. Today, before the kind of Potoka Semuno, the kind part was Shemuya, and they say, the Central Regional Chairman, Mr. Robert Putin Jr., was free Munamuna Mati. Na the Chino, the mechanism in Yamano Kusakusa and ye. Patino Sinsum Edinachi, the Bebo Quambiaso, Yakopeno, Krabia, as a party member. The chairman Kutin, Patimau Nantiye. Yeah, court 2024 election, Muno. Na yina ya dwene se adwuma ya ye aban mu ne party mu no ye kofa nkunimdie no aba enso ankoba ne sa fi se nyame nhihye edimu sin nipa nhihye enye nipa nhihye ni nyame de enye pe nti de na ye hwehwe no ye nsa anka ne sa enso ni nyina ati no ejina brane ejina ye nan so se yakwa abatu sisi na nyi ya na nkyere se party no awie ye aba nyesa na ye hihye ye party uko na nyi ya no wasan ko wachi no wasan bepem ye luzu obada na ya wani abanso da nti ya de na mom ye fa ne nyame nhihye eno no party fu nyina ba bia omo bia sayin kura kase mu sayin kurun kitwo mu region bia omo mu bia rasa me damu nyina simbigina party ya nan mu damu nyina sine adwumaden a obia eye anye na so nkyese ye hwe ase ayen sorry bio ye besan asori New Patriotic Party ye hu bida na ya ye bi nsoso eda nti enimo nyina esu ewo efiafie mu nkronkro mu se de aba no ade a ya na mom ye be story bio egina brane nti akasa ye besan ahihye atinu yim se be ya de atwen sisi no ensan enkoto yim bio ye koye nim no abuni be fene se restructuring ye beye yen transfer na yen nasonso na ye party nso de munim from dankonom breso bisi ndeno ye dankonom hihye ye ne se democracy ene yegitumu obi mamen kabi amamu ene yegitumu enti enwa ye sen egina mu na yebema committee bia ye beti ai freno election review committee ye postmortem they said the wako nipa afri mu mochre no na ye be papa ni mu ahwede ntia nipa no afri mu in the political circle no eno bi na ye ba be in the political context nti ye hwe ni mu se eno so eba se wan ye side no a untimi ensakra nnema mu ema dachi bi ye da ye nim no ntimi nkodi nkunim ye be se di nkunim so bi o se nyame ka ye hu nkwa de ye be di nkunim na election review committee for na juma no so no be ma ipa bebre aba animu ma be kire o madwen abroni be kire se consensus any suggestions for reforms the coach mu a nse mu nyina kra muti asese me ye be ye nsakraye na ye de ahwede be bia ye kosisi be bia wo si tia be bia ne si tia na ye de atuye nyina ye hofo ama next time I be kwa bato no na ye de enigye na eba party headquarters a enye awerehwa ye mu na meka ne sanso a eno so ne meka ho bi no ene constitutional amendment so meka ye constitution no ye be pensim mu na nsakraye a wo se yi bia no ye ne party na nkasa nso kwan ye faso edi si ginaye decision making ahudu a wo se yi no ye gina so aye fa presidential elections, parliamentary elections. These are the roadblocks Nema ahodoa sɛ yɛyɛ no yie a ɛbɛma nkonimdie ɛbɛyɛ mmerɛmmerɛ ama yɛn because yɛbɛkɔ coalition no obiara te ne ho ase sɛ sei na party nhyehyɛeɛ ɛteɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛwura mu awie no na afei na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ nsakraeɛ wode saa ba a ɛma abotɔyɛ mu ɛntena partyfoɔ mu nti yɛbɛyɛ saa nsakraeɛ no nyinaa ansa na yɛakɔ the next election presidential ne parliamentary elections no mu. Baabi a yɛgyina yi deɛ obiara nim sɛ ɛɛden sɛ wogye atom kɛkɛ koraa sɛ mode nkugu no as a party no ɛɛden nso ɛwɔ sɛ woka abusuafoɔ ne Ghanafoɔ but deɛ yɛsrɛ so ne yɛadwene mu sɛ yɛnte nna we are not going to relax at all. The battle for 2028 starts today. And say, that can say no. The Chidifo, Ninara, or Momo Ghana, or Momo Amanone, the crowd Ghana has to say. Omina be yadrin. Na a dear person, the party no Efano, Omina betai chi. Diaspora said, what kind of brofumono, Omina tai chi. Say, coin beer, ye Ghana, and a betcha set yen fasono, almost tai chi, my silent paper. And yes, 2028 nso ahwe anasade ne bi asan akoba ye mpenesa ti mede mano bi si wo ha na